우리 둘 만나고 헤어지는 모든 일들이 어쩌면 어린애들 놀이 같아.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being their hair in the morning for the journal reporting seminar that I received earlier, and which I respect Miss Wildan as an English teacher and my friends for 2I Nursing of Poltekkes Tasikmalaya. Okay, let's go, friends, for start the discussion. Please host start the PowerPoint. Thank you. Report reading journal article. The next slide. In the seminar, article journal by biopsychosocial determinants of stunting in children under 5. About analysis evidence from the border area West Kalimantan. The article by Evi Indriani, Yulia Lantiratna Devi, and Harsono Salima. Next. Okay, before going any further, let me introduce myself. Hey everyone, my name is Nadila Dimeluna, and I'm from 2A Nursing of Poltekkes Kemenkes Tasikmalaya. Next. Table of content this seminar is 1 title, 2 background or introduction, 3 method of journal, 4 research and discussion, and 5 conclusion. Next. First title, simple the title in my opinion. Next. The high status of stunting in the West Kalimantan area with analytical data has been obtained. Next. Why choose that the title? Because in my opinion, it is included in the bold, even though the title of the author is suitable, but if briefly, it might be like that. Next. 2 background or introduction. Next. Definition of stunting. Stunting is the failure to achieve one's growth potential due to chronic malnutrition and major disease during childhood. This can permanently limit a child's physical and cognitive capacities and cause lasting damage by UNICEF. Next slide. Why is that researched in the study cases in Kalimantan, namely in the Sambas district, because the stunting rate in the situ area was quite high in 2015, amounting to 38.2%, and in 2016 was 41.5%. Apart from that, there is a part of the Sambas district, namely in the Sajingan sub-district, which is bordered by with Sarawak, Malaysia. In the area Sajingan, the prevalence of stunting is very high, occupying the first position in 19 district of Sambas in 2014. It was 17.68%, and in 2015 it was 28.86%, and 2016 it was 35.07%. It has been monitored by observers national nutritional status in West Kalimantan. Next. Because it attracts attention with the high stunting rate, it turns out that of the 767 children under 5 who are exposed to stunting, 269 The factor is fulfillment inadequate nutritional intake in the form of macro and micronutrition and nutrition during the period of growth and development in the womb, which has a very strong influential impact on stunting. Next slide. After saying this background and the high stunting rate in the border region of West Kalimantan, the author are interested in further research, especially in analyzing the biopsychosocial factor associated with stunting in infants in the border areas of West Kalimantan. Biopsychosocial model is a model used to describe biological, physiologic, and social factors. The next slide. Okay, before continue, I have something to ask.
No, thanks.
If not, okay, let's continue. 3 method of journal. Next slide. The journal method use method quantitative because contain data in the form of numbers that make this research strong and correct. The analysis was carried out using path analysis, choosing to examine the rates or on the rates. The analysis was carried out using path analysis, and the ones being studied are toddler step specification, model identification, parameter estimation, and risk specification model. The instrument used is throughout the method data as above by analyzing and comparing with existing data, and what is being researched is toddler to do research and survey. Of course, they must ask for permission. This obtained in research ethic committee, hospital, Dr. Mordi, Surakarta, Jateng. Next slide. For result and discussion. Next slide. The research found that it was true that the Kalimantan area was in the height. After researching with the method described earlier, data was obtained that was not good. The national intake of nutrition had a legit score for stunting 1.6 units higher than students. The instrument used is survey method data with step specification by analyzing and comparing with existing data, and the information in this journal is the same as the existing reference, but some are different because the cells are the same for the whole. The next slide. Some sample source. This is an example of relates to theory. It is the same and it reference hand FB describe the contents of the journal, meaning that the relationship with each other is correct. Next slide. Result table data obtained. Table 1. There is written a reference to the value of the stunting rate for both normal and abnormal, and table 2 show the relationship between variable 1 and other variables and describe some high stunting rates in present. The relationship is like that intake of nutrition food if and also relate to biopsychosocial. It is less than the possibility, then there is a high probability that the child will be less than 40 age causing stunting. Next slide. And the last 5 conclusion. Next. So, in conclusion, parents, especially mothers, must maintain the health of their children while they are still in the womb so that there is no risk of stunting, and must maintain the intake of food that comes in and implement a clean and healthy life. Okay, thank you. The material has been explained. If any friends who want to ask are welcome.
Any question?
Yes, please.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction, my name is Vanessa Firiski. I want to ask, why do you think research are stunting? Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Vanessa. Is next question. The question is, why do you think research are researching something? And my answer is, because research are very interested in the status of the high stunting rate in Indonesia, especially in the West Kalimantan area. The research finally starts research on stunting. How can it be understood, Vanessa?
Yes, understand. Thank you.
Thank you for a question. Okay. Friends, there are more. If not, if there is, then I close it. Thank you for host for the share screen, the PowerPoint. And thank you for being active and listening at this seminar. I'm Nadila Dwi. May Luna asking forgiveness if there are mistakes, both intentional and unintentional. Thank you very much. More or less sorry. See you and nice to meet you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.